The logistics market has rapid growth in Southeast Asian nations, especially in Vietnam. The average annual growth rate in Vietnam is around 15% in recent years, and the market scale is $40 billion in 2021. Currently, there are around 5,000 logistic companies in Vietnam, and 90% of them are local companies which mainly use bikes for logistics service. The new IoT product of Brassier, named Blockcraft, is the most suitable IoT tracker for city logistics management, and we will introduce it in more detail. Blockcraft is the first commoditized modularized IoT sensor, which makes all functions in IoT sensor as individual modules, including sensor modules for all kinds of applications, network modules for every standard, and optional power harvesting module for energy autonomy. Blockcraft is small, which could be installed in every location, embeds GPS and G-sensor for tracker applications, and can real-time uplink data to logistics operators. The embedded battery could operate more than 1 year and could be easily charged by Type-C power or power bank. Blockcraft can produce all kinds of IoT sensors in a very short time by simply assembling suitable modules. For example, we assemble GPS, G-sensor, and temperature sensor for cold chain logistics monitoring. We assembled a TVOC, PM2.5 sensor, TH sensor, CO2 sensor for indoor air quality monitoring. And we assemble similar sensors with solar module for forest fire early alert. Brassier produces above 3 sensors by simply assembling modules for client testing in 2 months, which proves Blockcraft can help industries to make IoT product fast to market. Blockcraft is the first recyclable and reusable IoT sensor due to every part of sensor product is an individual module. Stock modules could be reassembled to design new products, and useless products could be recycled and reused for new applications. Using Blockcraft may help industries not only fast to market and easy maintenance but also saving electronics waste to meet sustained development goals. Blockcraft can provide all necessary IoT sensor functions for smart logistics, including bike status monitoring and position tracking with user-friendly interface. By installing Blockcraft in the logistics box, logistics operators can manage every shipment from warehouse to client's hand more efficiently and can improve service quality much higher. There are 5,000 logistics operators in Vietnam, and the one who uses Blockcraft system first will get the key to be the best logistics company in Southeast Asia.